Are you tired of understanding English but freezing when you try to speak? You're not alone. Millions of learners can read and listen perfectly, but when it's time to talk, nothing comes out. Today, I'm going to share 8 simple tips that will unlock your speaking confidence. These aren't complicated grammar rules. These are practical strategies that work immediately. Here's something most English courses don't tell you. Speaking confidence isn't about knowing every word. It's about using what you already know without fear. Native speakers make mistakes all the time. They pause, they hesitate, they say and constantly. But they keep talking. And that's the secret. Before we dive in, if you want to improve your English speaking skills, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to our channel for more practical English lessons. And turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Trust me, these tips will change how you approach speaking English forever. Let's start with tip number 1. Talk to yourself in English every single day. I know it sounds strange, but this technique is incredibly powerful. When you're alone, describe what you're doing. Making coffee? Say it out loud. I'm boiling water. I'm adding sugar. I'm stirring my coffee. This simple practice builds your speaking muscles without any pressure. Tip number 2 is even easier. Think in English, not your native language. Don't translate in your head. When you see a dog, think dog, not your language's word first. This is much easier than you think. Start with simple words and objects around you. Your brain will adapt quickly. Native speakers use this natural thinking process every day. Tip number 3 will surprise you. Make mistakes on purpose. Yes, you heard that right. Stop trying to be perfect. Perfection kills confidence. When you accept that mistakes are normal, speaking becomes fun instead of scary. Every English student struggles with this fear of mistakes. But here's the truth. Mistakes are how you learn. They're not failures. They're stepping stones to fluency. Tip number 4 is a game changer. Record yourself speaking for just 2 minutes daily. Listen back without judgment. You'll notice your progress week by week. You'll hear where you hesitate and where you sound confident. This awareness is incredibly valuable. It shows you exactly what to practice. Now let's move to tip number 5. Use simple sentences first, then build complexity. Don't try to sound like a university professor on day 1. Start with basic structures. I like coffee. Then expand. I like coffee in the morning. Then add more. I like strong coffee in the morning because it wakes me up. See how that works? Simple to complex, step by step. This progressive approach removes pressure. You're not struggling with complicated grammar while trying to speak. You're building confidence with sentences you can actually say correctly. Native speakers learned this way as children. You can use the same natural process. Here's tip number 6, and it's one of my favorites. Find a speaking buddy, even if it's online. Speaking with another person is completely different from speaking alone. The pressure is real, but it's also necessary. You need that real conversation experience. Don't worry if your buddy isn't a native speaker. Practice is practice. 2 learners helping each other can make amazing progress together. If you're finding these tips helpful, drop a comment below telling me which tip you'll try first. And give this video a like to help other English learners find it. Your engagement helps this content reach more people who need it. Tip number 7 is something native speakers do automatically. Use filler words naturally. Words like, well, actually, let me think. These aren't bad English. They're natural parts of conversation. They give you time to think while keeping the conversation flowing. When you pause with these words instead of staying silent, you sound more fluent and natural. Practice using these fillers when you talk to yourself. Well, I think I'll make dinner now. Actually, maybe I'll watch a movie first. I really should practice my English more. See how natural that sounds? This simple change will drastically improve your English speaking confidence. And now for tip number 8, the most important one. Speak English every single day, even if just for 5 minutes. Consistency beats intensity every time. 5 minutes daily is better than 1 hour once a week. Your brain needs regular exposure to build speaking habits. This is much easier than you think when you combine it with daily activities. Talk during your morning routine. Narrate your commute. Describe your lunch. Comment on the weather. Every moment is a practice opportunity. Native speakers didn't become fluent overnight. They practiced constantly as children. You're doing the same thing just as an adult. Let me give you some practical examples to make this even clearer. Imagine you're at a coffee shop. Instead of staying silent, try simple interactions. Hello, I'd like a coffee, please. That's it. Just one sentence. Next time add more. Hello, I'd like a large coffee with milk, please. You're building confidence with each interaction. Or picture yourself describing your day. Today was busy. I worked for 8 hours. I felt tired. Then I went home. Simple sentences that you can definitely say. Next week, expand them. Today was really busy at work. I worked for 8 long hours and felt extremely tired afterward. Then I went straight home to relax. See the progression? Here's another example. You're watching a movie in English. Instead of just watching passively, describe what's happening. The man is walking down the street. He looks worried. He's checking his phone. Now he's running. Why is he running? Maybe he's late. This active engagement transforms passive watching into active speaking practice. These examples show you that speaking practice is everywhere. You don't need a classroom or a teacher beside you all the time. You need commitment and creativity. Don't worry, every English student struggles with finding practice opportunities at first. But once you start looking, you'll see them everywhere. Remember tip number 3? Make mistakes on purpose. Try now. Say a sentence wrong intentionally, then correct it. I go to the store yesterday. Wait, that's wrong. I went to the store yesterday. This practice removes the fear of mistakes. You're controlling them instead of fearing them. Combine these tips together for maximum results. Talk to yourself using simple sentences. Record it. Listen back. Notice your mistakes without judgment. Try again tomorrow. Add filler words for naturalness. Find a speaking buddy to practice with. Keep it consistent every single day. This combination is incredibly powerful. Start practicing today and you'll see results immediately. Not perfect fluency, but definite progress. You'll notice words coming more easily. You'll hesitate less. You'll feel more comfortable with English sounds. These small improvements build into major confidence over time. Before we wrap up, I need you to do 3 things right now. First, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. We post practical English lessons weekly. Second, hit that like button to help other learners find this video. Third, comment below with your biggest speaking challenge. I read every comment and your feedback helps me create better content for you. Let's quickly recap these 8 powerful tips. 1. Talk to yourself daily in English. 2. Think in English, not your native language. 3. Make mistakes without fear. 4. Record yourself speaking regularly. 5. Start with simple sentences and build complexity. 6. Find a speaking buddy for real practice. 7. Use filler words naturally. 8. Practice consistently every single day. These tips work because they remove pressure while building habits. You're not trying to be perfect. You're trying to be consistent. You're not studying English. You're living it. That's the difference between learners who stay stuck and learners who break through to fluency. Here's something really important to understand. Your speaking confidence won't improve overnight. It takes time. But with these 8 tips, you'll notice changes within weeks. Maybe you'll speak one sentence more easily. Maybe you'll hesitate less when ordering food. These small victories matter enormously. They prove you're making real progress. Think about why you started learning English. Maybe for work, travel, or personal growth. Whatever your reason, speaking confidence is essential. You can't achieve your goals if you're too afraid to speak. But now you have 8 practical strategies to overcome that fear. You have a roadmap. Native speakers aren't magical beings with special talents. They're just people who practice constantly without overthinking. You can develop that same natural confidence. It starts today with your first practice session. Talk to yourself for 5 minutes right after this video ends. Describe your room in English. Simple sentences. No pressure. Just practice. Remember, every fluent speaker was once a beginner who felt scared. Every confident English speaker made countless mistakes. The only difference between them and struggling learners is that they kept speaking anyway. They pushed through the discomfort. They practiced when they didn't feel like it. They made speaking English a non-negotiable daily habit. You can do exactly the same thing. You already understand English well enough to watch this video. That means you have vocabulary and grammar knowledge inside you. It's just locked away by fear and perfectionism. These 8 tips are your keys to unlock that knowledge and let it flow naturally. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start speaking. There's no perfect moment. There's only now. Today is your day to begin building real speaking confidence. Pick one tip from this video. Just one. Practice it today. Tomorrow, practice it again. Next week, add another tip. Build your confidence gradually and naturally. If you found this video valuable, please share it with another English learner who needs these tips. Helping others helps you too. Teaching someone else reinforces your own learning. And growing together makes the journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Your dedication to improving your English is admirable. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and keep speaking. Your English voice is waiting to be discovered. Go find it. I'll see you in the next video with more practical English tips. Until then, keep speaking with confidence.